Hi guys, today we are going to be whitening the teeth and the eyes in Photoshop as quickly as possible. In order for us to do that, we are going to create the hue and saturation layer. Then we are going to select the yellow because we are working with the teeth. Most times it's always yellow, and we are going to reduce this. Let me take it closer so that we can see. Okay. So we're going to reduce this and increase this. Now, this is the first step. The second step is to create another layer. Now we're going to invert the hue and saturation by clicking Ctrl-I on the white part. After that is done, let's just leave it as this. Then we're going to create another layer. This is going to be the photo filter, and we're going to select the cooling filter 82, and this is good. Close this. After we have selected the cooling filter, we are going to clip it to the hue and saturation. So when you are around this place, you can just quickly click on Alt and you see the icon to clip, and you click on it. You have clipped it like that. That means this layer is going to be working on the part that we're going to be revealing in this area. As simple as that. So now we're going to select the brush, and the foreground is on white, so we're going to reveal. So let's move closer, and then you paint over. My flow is on 100 and the opacity is on 100. So you paint over the teeth. Can you see that? Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? So you paint over the teeth. Yes, let's do that. You make sure that you are very careful while you are painting over the teeth, so that you would not paint a part that you are not supposed to paint. This is good. This is very good. So let's paint this other part that is showing here. This is good. This is good. So this is good. You can also play with the opacity here and leave it at what you like. I'll leave it at 100, and this is good. And then we'll move to the eyes. For the eyes also, you paint the parts that you want to whiten, and that's it. So this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So now you can now group these layers together. You select both layers and click on Ctrl-G and you group it. Then you can name this white teeth and eyes, or simply eyes and teeth. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and be sure to leave a comment. Thank you very much.